I really love being a software engineer. Some people say it could be hard and stressful, while others say that it's a great opportunity that comes with a lot of benefits. And I actually agree with both sides. It could be difficult and amazing at the same time, and it's definitely not the best fit for everyone. Personally, I believe there are a lot of things to love about software engineering, and it's a great field to join. And like you already know, I'm here to share with you 5 things that I love about software engineering. And the first one, it is just so much fun. You are able to build practically anything that you want from nothing. Create games, websites, automation tools, and the list goes on. There is just something very satisfying about building stuff yourself. Not to mention that you can design it the exact way that you want. But also you have an opportunity to benefit not just your life. Since computers are all around us and are used practically everywhere, you have an option to share your creation with others. You have the potential to create something that could help people with their everyday task or something that could impact the whole world. Yes, this sounds very motivational and ambitious, but it's really up to you to decide on how far you want to take it. The second thing that I like are the entrepreneurial opportunities. Technology is spreading into all industries and all aspects of our lives. And this creates endless opportunities for you to come up with ideas, make them come to life, and earn some money in the process. And don't get me wrong, this is not an easy thing to do. Aside from development, you will have to spend a lot of time on researching ideas, finding the demand, and doing a lot of marketing. And maybe, just maybe, after many years and countless tries, you will be able to create a product that's actually selling. Yes, this is something very hard to do. However, being a software engineer allows you to save a lot of money in the early stages, because you can quickly create prototypes and validate them on the market. The third thing that I like about being a software engineer is the mastery over computers. Technology is all around us. We have computers, we have smartphones, we have smart watches. Hell, we even have smart homes. Some of us spend upwards of 80% of our time on the internet, and I think this already says a lot. So, by becoming a software engineer, you're able to understand how all of these things work and how they communicate with one another. You'll start to notice the benefits not just at work, but in your everyday life. So, for example, your computer is running slow, but you might know some reasons for why this is happening and how to fix them. You've moved houses and now you need to reconfigure your router. Well, it shouldn't be too much of a hassle for you. And yes, you will probably not know how to fix everything and you will have to do some additional research. But having a strong foundation in programming and searching skills, you will be able to do it faster than anyone else. The fourth thing that I like is the logical thinking and problem solving skills. Being a software engineer requires you to deal with a lot of little simple things that over time become more complex and start to interconnect with one another. Because of this, software engineers train their logical and problem-solving skills the most. Everything in programming is certain, and there is a clear answer to every problem. But here I'm not talking about system design and similar things. This is a topic for another video. At the very foundation, everything is simple. I always look at my tasks as fun, logical problems or puzzles that I need to complete. You have all the necessary pieces, you know how the end goal should look like, and you just need to piece it all together. And I'm still enjoying doing this even after being for more than 5 years in this field. So if this is something that you like and enjoy doing, then you're more than welcome to join. And the last thing that I like about being a software engineer are the career perks. This is not going to come as a surprise to you, but yes, software engineers do get paid a lot, especially if you're a top tier engineer in companies like Google. And this is not to say that you will earn little money in smaller companies. The demand for software engineers is huge, and there is no denying that. And it's not going anywhere anytime soon. And if you're worried about AI taking over engineering jobs, then take a look at this video where I discuss this topic. Another career perk that I really like about software engineering is that there are so many different paths to choose from. And the best thing about it is that most of the time they are clear yet diverse. So after a year or two, if you feel like you don't enjoy front-end development as much as you initially thought, you can always switch your field and go into, I don't know, like machine learning or something. And of course, in the early stages, it is not going to be that simple. But telling you from my own experience, the more you grow as a software engineer, the easier it will become. And that is it. Now you know the things that I highly appreciate about being a software engineer. And so can you. I mean, if you're thinking about joining this field, go ahead and give it a try. Trust me, it's not as difficult as you may think. Have a good day and see ya.